Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gears of War Reloaded game crashing or not launching or lagging, freezing, showing black screen, not loading on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. So for that, first you need to select your game from the home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option over here. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to clear Xbox cache. So for that, press the Xbox symbol. Now move down and select settings. After that, go to system, then select console info. Here click on reset console and then select reset and keep my games and apps option. So after clearing the Xbox cache, now try to launch the game and check if it resolves the problem. If not, next solution is to check for the game update. So you should ensure that the game is updated and is not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update of the game, and after that try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to check internet or network connection. So if there is any kind of connection problem, then you can come across crashing or other issues. So you are suggested to use stable connection or use another hotspot to see if this works. For that, open Xbox menu, then go to settings, select network settings. Now click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. Next method is to perform a power cycle. So for that, first press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. And next plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. So this will perform a power cycle, and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached storage. For that you need to open settings on Xbox, select device and connections. Click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. So after this, check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to remove and re-add account. So for that you need to press Xbox button first. After that click on settings under profile and system. Next go to accounts, then click on remove accounts. After that select the account to remove and finally click on remove option. Once done, wait for some time and again add the account and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. Next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to the latest and not running on outdated version. So for that, open settings on your Xbox first, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and simply click on update option to begin the update process. Once it's done, now check if it fixes the issue. Next solution is to check storage. So for that you need to press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, settings, system and then click on storage option. After that check whether there is any available space or not. If not, simply delete some unused apps or games to create some space, and after that try to launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. Next is to reinstall the game. So for that, first press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and then click on select all option. Here select Gears of War Reloaded or the game, then after that click on menu button, then select uninstall. After uninstalling, the game will be removed. Now open the official website of the game and download the game, and after that try to install and check if it's working or not. If not, the final solution is to contact support. For that, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from support team. Simply go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can simply raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide you what to do, and hopefully they will try to resolve the issue from their side. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.